Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. How are you all? I hope you are all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I organized my kitchen platform. If you ask me what is my favorite spot in my home, I would definitely say it's my kitchen. I personally feel that we don't need to have hi-fi things or great modular kitchens to keep it clean and tidy and organized. So mine is not modular kitchen, not a hi-fi kitchen, it's just normal kitchen. So I'm going to show you how I organized it according to my taste and according to my comfort level. Before starting the video, I would like to thank all of you who have subscribed to me. Thank you so much, and please do subscribe to our channel for more interesting upcoming vlogs. Thank you.
Guys, this is how my kitchen looks, and it is attached to my living room beside my dining area. And when we moved to this home, we have changed the cupboard colors. I have chosen white and green because they gave very nice fresh colors to my kitchen, and personally I like clean and very comfortable kitchen. If I start from the left corner, there I kept my microwave oven on a stand. This stand I got from Amazon. On microwave I kept one towel, and on the left corner I kept one basket. This is my bread basket. I always keep my bread here, and there is one clock here and tissues, and there is some green tea behind this green tea box where I keep all my green tea bags. Whenever I use oven, I remove all these things and I use the oven. In microwave mode, we need not remove anything. So I keep these essential things here. I always want to keep green tea in front of my eyes because if I keep it in the cupboard, I tend to forget and I don't drink. So I kept it openly so that it reminds me to drink. And this is how my microwave area looks. And because of this stand, it is very easy for me to clean this platform easily. So this is very strong and sturdy. If you guys want to check out, I'll give the link in the description box. And just beside microwave, I kept my grinder. We eat idli, dosa on a day-to-day basis. So this is very much handy for me. And beside the grinder, I kept my mixie. This is my food processor, Murphy Richards brand, and I use it on a daily basis. Because my kitchen is not modular, I have to fit everything according to my comfort and according to aesthetic feel also. So this is how I kept in a simple and comfortable way. Whatever kitchen appliances I use, I want them to be on kitchen platform. I don't feel comfortable putting them in the cupboards and removing them every day. And beside my mixie, I kept one basket for onions and potatoes. This basket I got from IKEA. And I also added one plant here for more greenery. So this is one normal old style of pickle jar. In that I added water and added some money plant cuttings. We just need to change the water every alternate days and the plant will be nice. And I added one tray here. This tray I added after COVID days. I call it as immunity tray. Here I kept some chyawanprash, some apple cider vinegar, some nuts, some dry fruits, all these kind of things. I specifically kept them in same place because I want my family to know where all these things are. Whenever they are hungry, I want them to come and grab these items first instead of some fast food kind of things. So I added everything like chia seeds, some prunes, all kind of dry fruits and nuts, whatever is good for health. So that's how we are eating more as well. My idea worked. And this area purposefully I kept it empty because this is kind of my workspace where I chop things, I cut vegetables. So I need space for all these things because when we make chapatis and rotis and cutting vegetables and all, we need some empty space. So that's why I kept it neat and tidy and empty always. And here I added one more tray with cutlery. All these bottles are leftover bottles from kitchen. They are like, some of them are missing their lids and all, so I am using them as cutlery holders. So I kept some cutlery, some kitchen tools and some wooden spoons, etc. I don't like to throw any glass bottles or glass jars from kitchen. I like to reuse them like this. I tied some twine so that they look like a set, and even if I buy anything from outside, if they come with glass jar, I store that for further use, but I never throw the glass jars. So this is how I am using them without buying from outside. And here I kept my oil dispenser, and under the oil dispenser I always keep one small plate so that if any oil drips, it won't spoil the kitchen counter. In this corner I kept one pretty stand. I got this from Amazon, and this was in black color but I painted it in aqua blue. This looks very nice. It gave nice touch to my kitchen because my kitchen is green color, and this blue in contrast with green color, it looks really nice. And under this stand I kept my marble chakla. So this is very heavy. I can't lift it every day. This is really heavy and I don't want to break it, so I keep it under this stand and it goes perfectly under this. And just beside the stand I kept my chopping boards. I keep 2 chopping boards separately for veg and non-veg, so that's why I keep multiple chopping boards in my home. And on this stand I kept some very essential items. First one is my chef who welcomes you into my kitchen, and here is coffee, tea, sugar and all these things. And here it is pestle and mortar where I grind my ginger for tea every day. So here I kept my spoon rest. So these things I use every day, that's why I kept them handy in a corner just beside my stove. This is my regular 4-burner gas stove, and beside gas stove also I kept one space empty. I generally dry my dishes here. So personally I like clean and empty kitchen. I don't want to clutter it with too many decorative pieces. It looks very nice, but for me comfort is more important. So here we have some small kitchen window. In that kitchen window I kept few plants. Here we get nice sunshine, so that's why I kept plants here. One money plant, one lemongrass and one lucky bamboo. Instead of decorative pieces, I prefer plants to decorate any area of my home. And this is my water purifier where we get both cold and hot water. And this is my kitchen wash basin where I wash the dishes. I have dishwasher, so very few dishes I wash with hand. Kitchen is that one place where we feel that we are the queen, isn't it? So this is why I love my kitchen. I keep on changing the decor. I keep on changing the look to give it a new feel. Because whenever I am in kitchen, I feel powerful, I feel happy, I feel relaxed, I feel detoxed. Whenever I go for shopping, I first go to kitchen section and I check out what are the new things in market, what are the new things that I can buy for my kitchen. So I really love shopping, and even for the window shopping I love to go to the kitchen section. And this is a door which opens into a balcony, that is my utility balcony. And here I kept one clay pot for water. I kept it on a stand so that I can clean easily, and above the clay pot there is one wall mount for my Dyson vacuum cleaner. So my vacuum cleaner is always docked here. In my home, all the sockets are busy with laptops, iPads and all those things because of these online schools and offices. We don't have any empty space, so that's the reason I kept my vacuum cleaner here, because I need a charging point. So here I kept docking station for my Dyson V8 wireless vacuum cleaner. And just beside the vacuum cleaner, there is one white color glass shelf I got from IKEA. Above this shelf, I kept one money plant just to add some decoration and color. This shelf is really nice and really handy for me because my kitchen is not modular kitchen. I don't have any glass shelves other than this. So I used to keep all my crockery items inside closed cupboards, and I was not liking that. I wanted to show them, I wanted to decorate them. So I got this shelf, and this is holding so many items. I kept all my crockery and all glass items in this. This shelf really added beauty to my kitchen, and above the shelf I kept one basket which is holding all my vacuum cleaner attachments. So whenever I want to vacuum my house, I can simply pull this basket and use all the attachments, and I keep them back. And beside that, I kept one lantern just for decorative purpose. That lantern also I got from IKEA. This basket also I got from IKEA. Just in case if anyone wants to know, so that's why I'm just letting you know where I got them from. Just beside this shelf, I kept my fridge, which is a double door 360 liters fridge. So this is perfect place for my refrigerator, and as I told you, I don't like too much of clutter, so I didn't keep anything else on my fridge or on my fridge door as well. Between my fridge and the wall, I have some small space where I hung my kitchen apron, so that is a perfect place. So guys, this is how I arranged my kitchen platform. I feel that kitchen represents our personality because we have different tastes and different conveniences. For me, comfort and convenience is more important than decorating it literally with the decorative pieces. So this is how I kept it clean, tidy, without any clutter. And I need more working space, so that's why I kept most of the part empty. This is it for today guys. If you like my kitchen, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. New videos will be coming every Friday. So see you next Friday. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Stay safe.